Alright, we're going to do a quick tutorial of Telnet and Secure Shell, or SSH. I'm going to start by doing the Telnet commands first. For Telnet, all you need to enable is the router password and a username and password profile. Then, go into the line config for VTY and make certain it can access the username and password we just added. And that really is all we need to set up Telnet. To show this, we'll hop on PC 0 here and Telnet into the router. Now enter in the username and password as already configured. Next, it asks for the router logins. I used 123 on both just for simplicity. And since we're already on the router's CLI, we might as well do the rest of the configuration for Secure Shell. To generate the crypto key, it requires that you have a domain name and a host name that's not the default router. Then, crypto key generate RSA. RSA is what SSH uses. And to use SSH 2.0, you need 1024 or 2048 on the bits. Lastly, we need to go back to the line VTY config and make sure we have our transport input set to SSH. As you can see there, it's showing SSH 1.99, but that's just SSH 2. It's always a good idea to save, and typing exit will end the Telnet or SSH session. Lastly, we could reconnect through SSH using the following command. That's a -L, not I. The same commands work on the switch as well for SSH. And that's it. That's the whole process. As a quick bonus, this is my real-world attempt to SSH into 2 of my layer 3 switches. Notice the equivalent username at IP address approach shown before the one I used earlier. Both of these attempts failed due to a no matching key exchange error, followed by usable exchange methods. The important thing to note here is the addition of one of those exchange methods preceded by -OKEX algorithms equals plus immediately after SSH. Also notice that just changing the IP on the second SSH attempt didn't work either, because that switch wanted a different exchange method. Then after correcting that, and after bypassing a security warning, it let me SSH into the second switch just fine also.